So straight away you've got the cardboard outer on this particular box with the Omega logo, but the star of the show when it comes to the boxes is actually on the inside of that white outer. So firstly, you've got the Omega instruction manual, which is for all of the different movements and in different languages. You've also got the Omega wallet there, which contains your pictograms and also international warranty. The box itself is a very heavy wooden high shine box with an Omega logo on the front and also the button on the side there, which I'm going to push right now, which will reveal the watch itself. So I'm going to take that out so you can see the inside of the watch box itself. So on the inside you've got a nice touch, which is the Omega logo on a cream background in red. Taking a closer look at the inside of the box, you've got this watch roll with the Omega branding, which will be used to hold the watch when it's in the box itself. You've also got some really nice detail in the stitching around this leatherette carded top. Now further in here you've also got a space for your cards which come with the watch, and a couple of more compartments, which in one of them you also get this soft feel carry bag, which will allow you to transport your watch safely when you don't want to wear it on the wrist. This is a 39mm watch with a silver face, which takes design cues from the 1950s Constellation models, especially in the form of this pie pan design, and it catches the light quite nicely, as you can see, and it helps it stand itself apart from the other competitor products on the market. It's also got silver hands with the lume markings on the minutes and hours hands, as well as the hour markers on the face, and these glow blue when it's in dim light. One of the most striking things about this watch is the fact that it's got a fluted bezel, and as you can see it catches the light really nicely, making it a really elegant dress watch. Now one of the things that I want to highlight is the fact that most of this is made from steel. The bezel itself is made from a material called tungsten, which is much more hard wearing than precious metals or steel, meaning that it's going to be more durable and will see the test of time. On the side you've got the high shine contrasting crown with the Omega logo, and you've got the silver face with the white markers. You've got a date function at the 6 o'clock position with the star. Now pulling the crown out into the first position will allow you to change the hour hand, but will also allow you to change the date function as well by turning all the way through the 24-hour cycle. Now pulling it out to the second position will allow you to change the minutes hand, and pushing back in will fully seal it, making it fully water resistant to 100 meters. The strap itself is a brushed metal steel, of course, and it's got the 3 sections on the actual strap itself. On the clasp you've got the Omega logo, and you've got a double release clip there. The case back has an exposed window here made from sapphire crystal, which is the same material as they use on the face of the watch, and you've also got a medallion which is either on or in the actual case back itself. The case back exposes the 8900 movement, which is one of the most accurate movements in the world, and it's master chronometer certified. It's also worth mentioning that this is anti-magnetic to 15,000 Gauss. And that was a very quick overview of the Omega Globemaster. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching.